So here's a quick guide on how to withdraw from Freecash to PayPal. First of all, what you need to do is open up your Freecash application on your phone. So once you're in the Freecash app, you will get to see multiple options on the bottom bar. So from here, you need to select the option Cash Out. After going to the Cash Out section, you'll be able to see your balance and all the available methods to withdraw your cash. So now just scroll to the top and you will see PayPal as the first option. After that, tap on PayPal. So once you're in the PayPal section, you will get to see multiple amounts to choose from, starting with $5 and up to $200. So select your desired amount and tap on Withdraw. And before making the withdrawal, you need to make sure that you have enough free cash balance, because otherwise the withdrawal will be incomplete. And keep in mind that Freecash will charge you a withdrawal fee, in this case, $0.5. So that is exactly how to withdraw from Freecash to PayPal.